Hey, what's up, guys? This is Amit Sanvaria, Gyanware University. So today I'm showing you my project on cloud computing. So what I've set up here is a server that's providing RDP services, that's remote desktop protocol services to clients. So as you can see that I have a server 2008 R2 running and also a Ubuntu server running. Now let's see how the clients work. So this is the PXE server that will help the clients boot from network. This is here, this netbook here is connected to Ethernet, as you can see. Let's boot it up. So I'll go for network boot. It's getting the IP address from DHCP server. So here, let's start our thin server. Okay, till it starts, like let's look at the web server interface. So this is the web interface for Gyanware Cloud. Let me put in the username. Okay, so first we will choose what type of operating system platform you are using. So that would be Windows, as I am using Windows. This is all the clients out. Okay, next what type of service we want to use. So this is for software services and this is for the virtual app services. And I am going to show you the software services right now. I'm going to show you the virtual app services. Okay, in virtual app services, we are right now, as you have seen in the server, I was running Ubuntu and Windows Server. The Windows 8 and Red Hat are optional, which I am running right now. So let's go to Windows Server 2008. Let's download the file. As you can see, there were some instructions also for what to do when you have downloaded the zip. So you just download the zip, then you open the folder where is it downloaded, then you extract it. Let's extract it here. Okay, it's extracted. Let's run it. Okay, so we don't want it to ask again. Let's connect. It's asking for username. So you use the server's credentials, the server's username. Okay, don't ask me again for certificates. Here we have got the server running. Let's see, the interface is taking time as it's all coming through internet. You can see there's no LAN cables connected to the computer. Okay, so the cloud is here. Let's see, should we try running Turbo C? Let's go to windowed mode. Okay, so I already created a program. Let's open it. Okay, now run it. Okay, now let me show you the client that was booting over network. Okay. Okay, so here we are. Let's select other user and I'll give the username. And password. Let's log in. Okay, So here's the another interface. It's actually booting over the net, and so even if I disconnect the hard disk from this terminal, it will still work. So this is you can say it's a thin client of sort. It's using actually thin station server to boot from. So let's try running Adobe Reader here. As you can see over the Ethernet, the speed is quite fast. Except here I've got a Java program running. It's simple hello world program. Let's shoot it up. We'll open a command window here. Let's compile the file. Okay, till then, okay, the file is compiled. Let's execute it. Here, as you can see, the program work, and it's all doing this on the Ethernet that we have connected it to. Okay, now I've also got a the cloud connected to my phone here. So as you can see, it's also got an interface of its own. This is actually the third user we open. So let's just see, we'll open a notepad file here, and you can see I can use the clouds interface here too. You just need a RDP client of any sort. What I'm using here is an official app by Microsoft for remote desktop. Let's see here, get back to our main server. So you can see the performance counters. It's actually, let me tell you something about the machine's hardware properties. Okay, so what I've got here is a VMware ESXi server. The server is running over 5.3 GB of RAM. It has got 4 processors running at 2.5 GHz and 80 GB of hard disk space. So all the cloud computing interface and all the remote desktop applications, they're running on this server. And yeah, that's it. That's about it. So thank you for watching.